ब्यूटिफुल। बात करते हैं वूंड्स के बारे में। You experienced neglect as the third child. I have had my share of wounds, although as for my sisters, I've got the most love because in a patriarchal society, when you're born as a male child, it's a privilege. No matter my parents treat all of us equally, but then बच्चे को feel होता है कि हाँ उसको ज़्यादा प्यार मिला, उसको नहीं मिला, and it is always there. मुझे लगता है नाउ आई एम अ पेरेंट सो अंडरस्टैंड कहते हैं ना कि आप जब बनते हो पेरेंट आपको पता समझ कि अच्छा पेरेंट्स किस के थ्रू ले जाते हैं, दे ट्राई देयर लेवल बेस्ट टू सर्व एवरीवन इक्वली, बट देन हाउ अ चाइल्ड एब्जॉर्ब्स इट, इट्स ऑल लॉट डिफरेंट। हम कहते हैं कि माँ बाप सब समझते हैं, लेकिन जो माँ बाप हैं उन्हें कोई नहीं समझता।
वेरी ट्रू।
सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद मदर वूंड एंड देन गो टू द फादर वूंड एज वेल। सो मदर वूंड क्या होता है? अगर कोई आइडेंटिफाई करना चाहे कि क्या उसे मदर वूंड है या नहीं, तो क्या सिग्नल्स हो सकते हैं कि हाँ आई एम हैविंग मदर वूंड? उसे क्या महसूस होगा?
Okay. So before even going to understanding mother wounds and father wounds, it's very important to recognize that we are made up of energy. And at the core of energy, we have masculine and feminine energy, the yin and the yang.
जी.
Right? And this energy is controlled by our left brain and our right brain, right? Everything in the universe, like if I look at an atom, for example, an atom is made up of electrons and protons, positive charge, negative charge,
बिल्कुल.
right? The negative charge is known as the feminine side.
Okay.
Because it's electrons. When you look at a proton and electron, which one do you feel is in motion and flowy and fluid?
प्रोटॉन
Electron. It's moving.
जो
Proton
मूव
is
कर रहा
constant.
होगा, इट्स कांस्टेंट. ओके,
Proton is the constant.
आई थिंक आई गॉट वेरी लेस मार्क्स इन फिजिक्स.
Okay. So proton
प्लीज.
is constant.
Okay.
वो move नहीं करता. Electrons are spinning around the
हाँ
proton.
हाँ, यस
More
यस.
fluid, more.
माय टीचर विल लाइक मैंने क्या पढ़ाया था तुम्हें? सब भूल गए. प्लीज गो ऑन.
Now electrons are negatively charged particles.
Agree.
And between masculine and feminine, which is more fluid and fluid?
Feminine.
Feminine. So electrons are feminine. Negatively charged particles. Now here it's very important to recognize negative does not mean bad and positive does not mean good. It is a charge. Chemical charge. And we are nothing but a biochemical machine. Okay?
Absolutely.
So we are made up of electrons and protons. And the electrons are the negative feminine charge in us. And the protons are the masculine charge in us. Okay? Positively charged particles. Now, when we are born, and please let's recognize from the time of conception, we come into our mother's womb as a single cell. Now, what is the responsibility of that one cell is to become a body and to become flesh, blood, bones, organs, hair, everything. So that one cell is carrying genetic information and a blueprint of how to become the body. My mother did not participate in making me. She just ate her food. And my father just had to donate his sperm. That's it. Nature took on the process because this is a blueprint. It's a template. Okay. Now, for creating a emotionally and energetically balanced human being, we need a balance of the masculine and the feminine, the yin and the yang.
ठीक है.
अगर masculine ज़्यादा होगा और feminine कम होगा तभी problem है. Feminine ज़्यादा होगा, masculine कम होगा तभी problem है.
Agree.
However, when I look at gender now, so here I was talking about energy.
Energies.
Gender, a man is born with, I'm talking about a balanced state, is supposed to be born with more masculine energy and 20% feminine energy. And for moksha, his goal is उसको 50-50 करने दोनों.
Understood.
ताकि मैं singularity, balance में आऊँगा तब मैं singularity में आऊँगा.
Understood.
Right? And a woman is born with 80% more feminine energy, 20% masculine, and she has to wake up the masculine in her to create balance. And when I reach balance, I reach singularity, and from singularity I reach moksha. Okay, that's the game.
ठीक है.
However, conditioning of our masculine feminine energy starts right from the womb. Now, for example, if I look at my example, I'm the third girl child of my mother.
Yeah.
So the moment she conceived me, and every thought and feeling that our mother is thinking when she's carrying us is impacting our being and our energy, because we are receiving that information as a vibration and frequency. So the message I'm getting is, you better be a boy, better be a boy, better be a boy, better be a boy, better be a boy. So I get a message even before I born, listen, you cannot be a, you
High on the
cannot
feminine
embody
energy.
femininity.
Yeah.
But in the soul's blueprint, I chose to be a girl
Yeah.
because I had an incompletion with my mother. That's another story. Now I'm born, and my soul is feeling rejected because I chose a girl and they wanted a boy. So I already am born with that essence of rejection. And psychologically, my subconscious mind is already programmed boy, 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 boy.
Yeah.
So my body now starts producing more masculine hormones. Hormone means what? You know, our entire gender balance is because of our hormone.
Absolutely.
Right? Hormone means, Horus in Greece means sun. Mon means moon. The sun and the moon energy. Masculine,
Wow.
feminine again. Chemicals are produced, and a right brain and a left brain is producing these chemicals. Right? The right brain is the feminine, the moon. The left brain is the masculine, the hor. The hormone comes from the brain through the chemicals, through the messages we are giving from inside as commands. So I'm saying man, 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 man. So now my body starts producing more of masculine hormones, and I hate me as a woman.
As a woman, yeah.
Like, till the time I was almost 21, 22, till I became a mother, I was more of a man in a woman's body. Not in my looks, but in my energy. I want to do all the men work. And when it comes to feminine, now here is where the feminine wounds start. Because it's not anything that's not, what is a wound? A wound is anything that was not accepted for what it is.